This is the Eura Mobil Activa One 690 VB motorhome. This thing here is going to cost you 88,000 euros, effectively. 7-meter camper van, 232 centimeters. I'll start again. 2 meters and 32 centimeters wide, 315 centimeters high at its highest point, which is in the cab over. This vehicle has a somewhat unusual rear here. You've got a table with a bed on it. What does that mean? Presumably that you can get rid of the bed if you'd rather have a table and 2 seats around it. Shall I lift this up to demonstrate? Well, it'll come up, or you can take it out if you want. If you weigh more than 100 kilos, don't get in this bed. You could indeed have 2 doubles at the back here. If 2 double bunks, that's 4 people in there should you want. So there's a skylight, which is just as well, because with 4 people it's going to be a bit stuffy. Although of course you could open these windows next to the bunks. We've also got sleeping for 2 up there, and I bet you can make sleeping here as well if you tried hard enough. Yes, you can. You could put the table down halfway. So there you go. You can get 8 people in here. Let's have a look at the payload when we go out, and we'll see if that's true. Nicely sized shower. This, of course, will move. So over here, we've got a big wardrobe. You're going to need it with so many people in this vehicle. There you go. There's also storage below, and here's storage for cold stuff, or stuff you want to keep cold, or even stuff you want to freeze. Storage above that, sink, 3 burners. All information about this vehicle you find here, but it doesn't work on video. Storage up here, skylight. Huge table here, sitting around the table, 4 people. How many belted positions are there? There are 6. And so that's relatively easy to get from the cab up to here. And there's your enormous bed up front with windows in either side, and there's more storage over the dinette. Let's have a look outside. Oh, I'll show you that. There you've got your control panels, you've got USBs, Truma heating. There's more plugs in here, such as there and there. And I put this light on. See, I didn't put all the lights on whilst I was doing this. Let's have a walk outside now. In the door, we will find one of them, Mosquitiera, and in the rear we find a large garage. Sorry, for 7-meter van, and you can actually access the inside of the vehicle from the garage through that cubby hole there. And what's clever though here about it is this double floor, and that gives you an idea of the depth of the double floor. So that is, in my opinion, pretty essential. This is the most important part of this van, I think, because most people wouldn't even ask for it. Might ask for the engine or something like that, but that is super important. For those wanting to know what the engine is, it's a Fiat Ducato. Anyway, good. I think I've done longer films on this vehicle in the past, so for the moment, there you go. Activa One 690 VB from Eura Mobil. Thanks for watching.